எக்ஸல் இன்ஜினியரிங் கல்லூரி மாணவர்களின் வை பிரைடர்ஸின் நடனம்.
வான் பேர் என்ன தெரியாது, வான் ஊர் என்ன தெரியாது, நீ யாருன்னே தெரியாது, பரவாயில்ல தேவையில்ல வா வரலாறு, என லவ் பண்ணவே முடியாது என்றே சொன்னாலும் கூட பரவாயில்ல. பழகிக்கலாம் what's your name and your number girl, பழகிக்கலாம் what's your name and your number, பழகிக்கலாம் what's your name and your number girl, பழகிக்கலாம் hey பழகிக்கலாம்.
Now we go from angry and mad to happy and glad to find a solution for us. We go from sorry and sad to ready to grab our weapons and get to the front. I want the money, the cash, the moolah, the bag, the currency, stacking it up. We want the freedom to live and the freedom to have the things we be lacking, my bruh. So what are we lacking? I could point it out, so much that's around. Better settle down, no point doing that. Or they send the hounds, bite me in the ass, put me in the ground, turn me into ash, got to carry down. From those who came up before me, I'm here to change up the story. Find me at work in the morning, find me where people are mourning, man, cause death is around every corner. When life isn't free for a person, dog, you act like an animal corner. Savage is speaking a language, y'all, you don't understand, you a foreigner. So nobody needs an advantage now, we need some balance and order. But you know that's never the case, never a chance that they're changing their ways. It's never a choice that they're giving to you, there will never be just in the face. We sing for the sorrow and dance for the pain. No one to follow, it's just you and me. I swear that it's coming, we starting today, but we'll wake up tomorrow and things are the same. Damn.
పులేసిపోతే కన్నే కొట్టాబంటే తా పులేసిపోతే ముట్టే పెట్టాబంటే తా పులేసిపోతే చెయ్యే పట్టాబంటే తా గుట్టా గుట్టా పులేసిపోతే రో. வாங்கி மாட்டுமா
இந்த ஆட்டம் போதுமா குழந்தை.
வை பெர்ஃபார்மன்ஸ் கொடுத்த வை பிரைடர்ஸுக்கு நன்றிகள்.